All right. Well, what I'm up to now, I'm going to be weighing this kitchen module, and then we'll put it in the trailer, the camper, the van. Let's see what this weighs. I only brought it out to show you that it is light. So I did my baseline. I'm 159.8. Let's see what this thing weighs. Okay, just kidding. Now the thing went off. I got to get a better scale. As you can see, I'm throwing this thing around. It's no big deal. All right. So I'm 159.8. This is 227.4. 66 pounds. That's all this thing is. 66 pounds. Now, it's a little bit long. Oh, I stepped on my shoelace. That would have been funny. 66. Let's come back this way. Piece of cake. Right there. We're lined up. I'm in a sleeve there. I'm on a cup holder there. I'm in a sleeve here, and 2 more cup holders here. As you can see, look at my shoelace. As you can see, I got the opportunity to put the legs on. And another thought I had, oh, I got to tighten this in. So as you saw, it's no big deal to move this module around. 66 pounds. Easy, clean. I got my legs on it now. I love it. It's got nice clean lines. I just like the way it looks in here. And it handles very easily. I'm no Andre the Giant. And I had no problem moving this thing around. Just my shoelace was the big problem. I forgot to tell you about this in the other video. This module is about 21 inches out. I forgot what the exact measurement was, but I offset the top of it and I left this room back here. It's over 1.5 inches. I want my Venetian blinds to live down in here, right? And then you're gonna pull them up by hand, no machinery, no electronics. Pull them up by hand, and they're on tension cables. They're gonna stay wherever you put them, right? I can't find them. Top down, bottom up. Shades, everybody's got them. I don't want shades. I want those Venetian blinds. If you ever see early morning or late sunset, when that light comes through those blinds and it shoots across your countertop and it hits your walls, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. All these little details, all these aesthetic details go towards your quality of life in a van. So it's very important to me for those times of day to have those blinds and have that light coming through. You really appreciate it. So where do I go? I went to the yachting industry. There's a company in Florida, top shelf. They make all the blinds, window treatments for yachts. Shocking, right? That I would go there. So I'm talking to Manny. He says, what do you want that blinds down there for, George? I says, well, I want them to live down there. That's one reason, but the big reason is if they're mounted up here and you're driving, you got potholes, you got rough roads, their blinds make their way down while you're driving. Before you know it, the whole van, the blinds are down, you can't drive the blinds down. He says, George, I'm making blinds for boats. Boats are out on the open sea. You think it's glass out there? They got rough water. My blinds don't come down. They don't drop. What do you think we're doing down here? Oh, Manny, calm down. I like this guy, Manny. He says, my blinds are guaranteed. They're going to stay where you put them. Okay. Oh, the other thing. The UPS man was here yesterday. Wait till you see what he brought me. Wait till you see this. Wait till you see what I got here. This is amazing. Look. a futon. I got the futon here. So the first thing I'm gonna do with this futon is I'm gonna weigh it. Oh, mud on. The package says 70 pounds. So we'll see what the heck that is. Ready? $84 pounds. Why is everything so heavy? 84-pound 84-pound futon. Natural wool, no chemicals, no off-gassing, hypoallergenic. This is supposedly the bomb of all futons. And believe it or not, it's all wool, right? It's got springs in it. This is not your grandmother's futon. I'm telling you. Ooh, it's a little heavy, 84 pounds. Now look at this. What I also bought is a beautiful fabric mattress cover. So when this thing is sitting as a couch all day, this is what it's going to be sitting with. A very light blue, like a sky blue cover. A couple of throw pillows, a little foo-foo. I got my foo-foo throw pillows. I might use those. So I got to open this up and sleep on it, and I'll let you know what's what.